What is good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? It's your Kaylalebomb and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, y'all, I just want to give a big shout out to Dossier Perfumes. They sent me these two perfumes, and I'm basically about to unbox them with you guys. So this first one that I got here, mind y'all, the box is so freaking cute. The box is so cute. It says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. It's a really cute box, really cute packaging. So this first scent that I have right here, you guys, it is called the Gourmand Patchouli. I love like sweet, like vanilla soft scents. So basically that's what this is. I'm about to test it with you guys. Y'all, it smells so good. Oh my god, like stop, like just stop. It's giving. This one right here is giving. This is my favorite right now. This is my favorite. Gourmand Patchouli. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. This one is giving, y'all. It's giving. I love this one. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna make this my everyday, literally my everyday perfume. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all what it has in it. So it has mandarin, berries, passion fruit, patchouli, honey, plum, caramel, vanilla, and cocoa. Y'all, oh my god, I can't, like, it just smells so good. And it smells very, like, very luxury, very rich. Like, I love this smell. Like, what the heck? I love the smell. I love it. So the second one we have here, you guys, from Dossier also, they sent me two really good smelling fragrances. So the second one I have right here is called Fruity Almond. This one is called Fruity Almond, you guys. Okay, that's Fruity Almond, and this is the Gourmand one. So that's the two flavors that I have. I'm about to smell the Fruity Almond. Fruity Almond has almond, peach, orris, orange blossom, tuberose, tonka beans, and vanilla and cocoa. So y'all, I love like vanilla. Y'all, I love vanilla so much. So the fact that I had that touch of vanilla is just like, oh, just take me with you. Just take me with you. You will pass me with this one, which I'm gonna pass you with it on because I got it. You know, unless you go get you some. If you go get you something, then you can go pass whoever and feel like that is because this perfume right here. This one, I'm about to smell this one though. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way, y'all, because I sprayed the last one that way. So Fruity Almond. Dossier, y'all getting somewhere with these. Y'all, I don't even know which one I'm gonna wear every day. Like, I'm gonna have to alternate. These are literally it. Like, go get you these two fragrances right here, the ones that I tried today. Go get you these two right here, y'all. Like, these, I'm gonna have to keep getting these now. Like, it's over. I have to. Like, these are amazing, you guys. I'm going to be giving you guys a discount code in the description below. I'm also gonna give you guys a link to where you guys can get these exact perfumes that I just tried today for you guys. Don't forget to use that discount code in the description box below, and let's get right into this video.
Walking your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur.
Alright, y'all, so I'm basically gonna be doing like eating, like making mad noises while I'm eating to see, like, you know, like what his reaction is. Like, I don't know how he feels about this, but I'm gonna be like, oh, take me to McDonald's, and then I'm gonna get like a, I don't know, ice cream or something, some cookies, something, y'all, and I'm gonna just like make mad obnoxious noises. So I seen Nair and Jalen do this video and I was weak. So y'all know I had to come with these banger videos. I'm coming back to back with these pranks. Without further ado, make sure y'all turn that post notification bell on, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment and a like. And I'm gonna see y'all in about 5 minutes or half a second for y'all.
The distributor. Are you here to bother me today, bro?
Huh?
Bro, don't start that, bro. I swear to God, bro.
What? Shut up.
What you talking to, bro? What? Yo,
who you keep talking to?
Start
Like,
that. Yo.
What?
You hear what I'm saying? Don't start that.
Call that number right there, because I'm trying to go get a crystal massage.
Call Crystal for a massage. She put a poster on the side of the highway.
Exactly. Keep calling my name.
Yeah, right. Yo, get out my ear, bro. You wildin'. I told you about that already.
I got a brain freeze and you
I already told you.
not trying to help me.
Let me see this.
Get me my drink.
Let me get some.
No.
Can I get some?
Babe.
I don't enjoy people like you. Let me get some, bro. Nah, that was jokes.
I'm not even gonna lie to you. That is funny.
Bro, you getting me tight, bro. Move.
That was a crab place before.
No, it wasn't. You never even came here, too. Before I get upset, bro. I need a lighter, too. I ain't got no lighter.
So I'm basically trying to get him tight by doing obnoxious sounds with my Starbucks, like, and it's not really getting to him. It's getting to him a little bit, but y'all, he feel like I didn't even do nothing yet. So this is the perfect time because he not expecting me to be making mad obnoxious noises. He finished his drink already. Look, his hunger. He finished his whole drink. I still got my drink, so yeah, I'm about to get him tight. But like the caramel is stuck in my teeth. Like, how you want me to stop these noises? I can't. Y'all, I'm gonna put the heat on because it's mad cold in this car.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be.
Oh, that's...
Nah, Kayla, bro, what? Why you didn't just put it on the
Like I was saying, they put extra caramel. I'm gonna wait till you stop moving because you keep moving.
You should have just put that in the stand. Said I seen it coming.
Anyways, y'all, my boyfriend just gassed up some old man, and the old man got my boyfriend thinking he hopping in advance, but in reality, he definitely just hopped into the back seat, and I just seen that. So let's see if my boyfriend come in the car talking about something. Yeah, he got a Benz. That was his Benz. Yeah, that'll be mad funny if he say that. If he don't, then damn. But if he say that, that'd be mad funny because that old man just G his body. He made him think that he was getting in the front seat and he got in the back seat. As soon as my boyfriend went to the store. Nah, that shit is mad funny. Let's see my boyfriend say when we come out, y'all. That'll be mad funny. But yeah, I'm trying to get him tight with these sounds. These sounds is really getting him tight. So I'm happy that these sounds is getting him tight. Because that's the goal. I'm trying to get you tight. Duh. If you're not getting tight, then this is not working. This prank is not working. But I'm gonna put the heat back on because it keep getting cold. And the fact that I'm drinking this is not helping. So. You don't got what's it?
Nah, they stale as fuck. Yeah, 3 of them, they all broke.
What?
Come on, Clara. Don't f my day up, please. Do not f my day up.
You can see, babe?
Make sure.
You want me to sit here with mad stuff in my teeth so they could be making fun of me? You want people to make fun of your girlfriend because she got stuff in her teeth? You rather me just take them out or get made fun of?
Rather you just brush it.
I'm not home though.
Go home right now.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I swear to God.
The caramel. Look how much is at the bed. You can't even see. Look. Mad caramel right
Can I
there.
taste
Stuck.
it?
Yeah. Getting stuck right there.
Shit,
Why did you just throw my drink out? Why did you do that? Why did you do
Prank
that?
wars has begun, guys. Hey, tune in. Thank you guys for tuning in, showing mad love.
No.
I'm taking over.
Why are you doing
She was
that?
in my ear, snapping mad hard, you guys. So I had to give her a piece of my mind. Now, the piece of my
You
mind
know what?
is out the window.
You know what? You want to play all day?
Damn.
That's not cool. Anyways, y'all. So I guess this prank backfired on me.
She got tossed out the window.
Because I was just pranking you and you didn't even let me get a chance to tell you I was pranking you, and you threw my drink out the window. That was a prank. I was just making obnoxious noises to get you mad. But you didn't have to throw my drink out the window, babe.
That's where the noises was coming from, the drink.
Dang.
So I had to eliminate the noises.
Well, y'all, I'm salty as hell, so I'm gonna just end this prank right here. If y'all like this video, make sure you guys give us a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below any other video ideas you guys want to see us do. And don't forget to turn on that bell and turn on your post notifications to get notified whenever we post a new video.